Hello Joing, this is my px5 4GB RAM model. I received it 3 days ago and I installed it, and now it has no sound. Actually, after I installed the radio, it worked for half an hour or 1 hour maybe, and then after that sound has gone completely. Now as you see, the song is playing but no sound. I will show you the radio also, and this is radio and no sound. You see, no sound. Now I will show you the connections also, that I used a special Nissan harness, and my car has no factory amplifier. This is the connections. This is Nissan harness, and this is the plug, that very tight connection, and this is also tight connection. Everything is normal. Actually, everything is normal, but no sound. This is a radio antenna connected. Everything plug and play. I didn't cut any cable, anything, but now it has no sound. After I installed the head unit, it was working and the sound was there, but now the sound is gone. No sound. Okay, I will show you. You can see no sound. Okay.